The National Weather Service in Birmingham has issued a tornado warning for Southwestern Shelby County until 6:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:38 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near University of Montevallo, or near Montevallo, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Alabaster, Calera, Montevallo, Columbiana, University of Montevallo, Shelby County Airport, American Village, Camp Ranch, Alabaster Veterans Park, Bounds Lake, and Dogwood. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Shelby, Alabama.